Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to switch your personal account to a professional account on X, formerly known as Twitter. It's a quick and simple process, so let's get started. First, open the X app on your mobile device. Once you're in, tap on your profile picture in the top left corner to open the menu. From there, click on Profile to view your account details. To make the switch, tap the Edit Profile button. Right below your birth date, you'll see an option that says Switch to Professional. Tap on that to begin the setup process. You'll need to agree to the terms, so go ahead and tap Continue. Next, you'll be prompted to add a description for your professional account. This can be about your business, brand, or really anything you like. Once you've added your description, you'll be asked to choose a category that best represents what you do. Pick the one that feels right for you. After that, you'll have the option to select whether your account is for a business or a creator. For this example, I'll go with business, but feel free to choose what fits your needs. After completing these steps, you'll notice the Edit Professional Profile option on your profile page. That's it. Your account has now been successfully switched to a professional account. Switching to a professional account unlocks some really helpful tools to grow your presence on X, so it's worth giving it a try. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss out on future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.